point, my gloves are useless because everything got inside my gloves anyway, so I was trying to get them out of the bucket. So for now, we've got peaks. Let's see. Hydrogen peroxide. Nobody was particular about what kind we got. I don't know. I don't know what 3% means, and this one doesn't seem to say. 3%. Okay, so. Since I've never done a batch this large before, I really have no idea what to expect. I'm just gonna go through and do this with each one. Try to get off the nasty bits. This is disgusting. Okay, so here's the scapula, and what I've been trying to do is, I'm not sure if this will focus. Come on, focus. Well, anyway, trying to get the last bits of soft tissue, fascia, off of here, fat or whatever. Pretty sure the fat would have, if there was any on this animal, that would have been gone first. So I think this is fascia and remnants of ligaments. This bone is easier to clean, even though it's giving me a hard time and it's a lot of work. So chances are I'll end up with a couple more rounds of trying to get, if you can see, trying to get these bits off. If this doesn't make you vegetarian, I don't know what will. It's disgusting. It's interesting, but disgusting. So for now, I'm just going to stick this one in the tub. Move on to another one. Now here, this is gross. Lots more soft tissue, so I don't know how long this is going to take. So, got a couple tools here. Probably want something serrated, flat, and a toothbrush. So we'll see how I get. Okay, so this is obviously a long bone, which means it has a lot of attachments on either end. So you can see this end is nice and clean, but this end I'm just having a hard time with. You can even see how it's separating. Okay, so the bones that had better condition already before I started, they are in this bucket with the peroxide. It was very hard work, and I still didn't get all of the fascia off. So I've put these over here back in the grass, a very weedy garden of ferns, because these still have a lot of tissue. And what surprised me, as you can see a little bug there, is that the bugs were still interested in coming over even after these had been soaked for a couple of weeks in soapy water. So even though the bugs that were in the bucket died, there might be a chance for nature to clean these a little bit more. So I'm going to leave these here in this garden. Hopefully they won't get dragged away, and hopefully they won't get run over with the lawnmower. As for me though, this is super disgusting. I don't know how people do it. I feel like I've been basically up to my shoulders in disgustingness and goo. It's all very interesting. It's still gross. And I'm gonna go scrub the hell out of my skin and let hopefully nature and science do its work. Like I said, those clean bones are cleaner. Cleanest ones I have are in the bucket with the peroxide. So maybe I'll have some results in a week or so. We'll see. We'll see. But again, like I said, there's still some ligaments and fascia that I just could not pull off myself. So I don't know how people actually do it without, maybe they just have better strength or better tools. I don't know. We'll see.